Hello and welcome to A Chip Off the Old Block Toys. I'm Jeff, and today we're going to unbox and build set number 40521, which is a mini Disney The Haunted Mansion. Now this set, I think, goes very well with this guy here, the mini castle, and also set number 43232, which is the London flyover with Peter Pan and Wendy. So we haven't built this one yet. We're going to get to it real soon. And we're going to get to this one today. It has 680 pieces in one minifigure, and it retails for $27.99. And the good news is we also have the large Disney castle. I'm talking about the $400 one, approximately that price. And the good news is I also have the older, from what, 7, 8 years ago, the larger Disney castle as well. So we're going to be able to compare those side by side against this guy here. So anyways, hopefully you guys look out for that. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's go ahead and we'll start the building. Welcome back. This concludes the build of the mini Disney The Haunted Mansion. This is Lego set 40521. It was released in 2022. 680 pieces, one minifigure, and retails for $27.99. Now, I think this was a fun build. I always like these micro builds. As I stated in the other micro build that I did, the Disney castle itself, the mini castle, I like how the very small details come out using these pieces. Even though it's small and it's miniature, there's a lot of detail here and I like it. But let's go ahead and we're going to jump into the evaluation. And if you've watched this channel before, you know that we do 6 things. We evaluate value, creativity, playability, ease of build, part out value, and then the overall ranking, which is the average of those 5. So let's go ahead and let's start off with value. As stated, it's 680 pieces, one minifigure, and $27.99 is the retail price. That comes out to 4.1 cents per piece. That is just a phenomenal value, and that's a 10. I can't give anything less. As far as creativity, well, I like the entrance with these columns here and how they use the candlesticks. I like the side entrance, and I also like how the back is open so you can see, and it's got some, looks like ghosts in there, and it's got a candlestick thing. I like the top here. Along with the chimneys here. I think it's a really great design with many details. I love the windows, the brick built windows as well as the regular windows. I like it all. So because of that, I'll give creativity a 10. Playability is only a 7 because you really can't do much with it, but the reason why it does score higher than 5 is because of the fact that there are the other mini Disney things like the castle and, well, like I showed earlier, the Peter Pan set. You put all that together and there is some playability there, so I'll give it a 7. Ease of build a 9. It wasn't too hard. There were a couple spots in the instructions that weren't 100% clear, but that's why I give it a 9 instead of a 10. Part out value, I'll give it a 10 though. You've got a lot of great pieces here. These windows, you got some brick, you got some tile modified slopes, plates in here. You've got a lot in here for other builds. So the part out value is a 10. And if you take all of those and you average them out, the overall ranking for this one's a 9.2, which is pretty high on the scale. I really like this set and I highly recommend it, especially because of the price, $27.99. So for less than 30 bucks, you can get yourself this great set. And I highly recommend it. Alright guys, if you'd like to help the channel, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on all notifications, and leave me a comment below. Also, if you want to help the channel, head over to Bricklink. I have a store about 800,000 pieces. We ship within 24 business hours, and the link's in the description to get there. Basically, you get pieces for your builds, and I get pieces, or piece part, money for my my channel, which is greatly appreciated. All right, guys, be good to each other. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you on the next one.